Hi, my CS executive students. I am here to share the strategy which I had followed just one day before the exams and had got marks which were exemption marks. Okay, so just follow these simple steps and revise your corporate accounting and financial management paper as per the steps I have given here. So beginning with your corporate accounting section. Okay, so what are you supposed to start revising with that? First, put your focus on issue of shares chapter. Okay, in that, do a combined question which will have forfeiture, reissue, pro rata allotment. So this is going to fill your 15 marks at one go. Okay, so issue of shares is one good way to start. Issue of shares is why? Because it is a very simple chapter. If you know the strategy and the basic journal entries which I have taught you all, okay, they are going to become very simple for you. Then moving on to accounting for debentures. Now many students are worried that accounting for debentures is very vast. How do we revise that one day before the exams? So in accounting for debentures, focus on the small ledger sums which are based on redemption of debentures, wherein they are asking you about how much discount has to be written off this year, or how much they have given you the redemption amount and they have given you the sinking fund amount and they're asking you to make the small ledger. So focus on those sums. Third, consolidation is important. Okay, 7 to 8 marks of consolidation here, 15 marks of issue of shares. Out of 60 you are already done with 25 marks of the paper. Okay, for new syllabus. Even for the old syllabus, corporate accounting was for 60 marks only, right? So consolidation of accounts, solve at least two sums in which you have to calculate the cost of control and the minority interest. Rest all sums you all can go through. Next is your cash flow statements. Now in cash flow statements, indirect method is a very lengthy method. Okay, so you can solve that one sum for indirect method of cash flow statement. In fact, I will tell you, focus more on direct method. For old syllabus also, your MCQs are based on the direct method, and for new syllabus as well, direct method question is asked for 5 marks and they are very easy. So 5 marks just for making a cash flow statement and you are done. Investment activity, your cash flow from operating, investment and financing activity. Theory, as I have always told you all, theory is important. There is at least 10 to 12 marks which is asked for theory. It can be even for more. I'm talking minimum 12 marks. So for theory, what are you supposed to do? Theory, concentrate on the theory chapters. The other chapters theory also you are supposed to know a little bit, at least the concept. You can do the lesson roundup, or you can even do your index, okay, which the institute, your module you have. Do the lesson roundup and the index. But for certain chapters which are only theoretical in nature, like your introduction to accounting, introduction to corporate accounting, accounting standards, please focus on theory from those chapters. 5 marks short notes, 3 marks of short note can be asked, and it is very scoring. Okay, so this you are going to follow as a revision strategy for corporate accounting. Start with your corporate accounting first. Okay, those who are into new syllabus, please start your corporate accounting first because it is for 60 marks, and see to it that you have completed your 60 marks in at least giving 6 hours of your day to day after your exam. Okay, so your 60 marks you have to complete it in at least 6 hours, and that is much more than enough. Like basically you are going to give 1 hour for almost each chapter, which is on an average. Okay, after this, whatever break you are taking, or with the breaks also you can do your corporate accounting. Then you can come to the financial management. Okay, now financial management, for the new syllabus it is for 40 marks. Okay, for old syllabus it was for 60 marks because the other 40 marks was for the strategic management. Okay, but the chapters remain the same. Revision strategy also remains the same. So start with simple chapters in financial management. Why? Because they are formula based, and sure short question is to be asked, and you are going to get a sure short answer and marks for that. So leverages, operating, financial, combined leverage, all three formulas you need to know it. Okay, 5 marks here, you are done. And then cost of capital, solve a combined sum which talks about weighted average cost of capital, wherein you know about cost of equity, how to find cost of debentures, how to find cost of preference shares. Okay, so overall cost of capital, one combined sum you can sit and solve. In capital structure, focus on two important things, because capital structure almost all the sums are same. You are supposed to make the income statement where you find the earning per share, and then that capital structure is best suited. And the second is your EBIT EPS indifference point, means that level of profit where your earning per share comes the same. So there is an indifference of your shareholders whether you are going with which capital structure. Okay, so any capital structure you choose, your EPS is coming same because of that level of EBIT which the company has maintained. So this is also formula based. After you have finished these 3 simple formula based chapters, then come to capital budgeting. Now yes, capital budgeting is important, but at the same time remember it is very vast. So don't sit and waste your 3 hours in capital budgeting. Capital budgeting will be asked for 5 to 7 marks, but how will you strategically revise, that is important. So do a combined sum wherein you will know how to find the net present value, payback period, your the internal rate of return, okay, your profitability index, everything is being done in that one combined sum. So sit and solve that one sum. Rest all the sums you can just go through. All right, then coming to working capital. Now working capital management is important. Okay, so see to it that you are giving at least 45 minutes for this particular chapter. Working capital, income statement and working capital, you can do about the stocks, your EOQ. We had also done debtors management. One sum of each type you can solve. Give 45 minutes to 1 hour for this particular chapter. And then we come to dividend policy, which is again formula based, simple. Okay, so only this 3 model, you need to know the formulas for this 3 model. And portfolio management, you can focus on your CAPM model. Okay, then time value of money. Time value of money is expected to be asked for at least 3 marks, and again this is formula based. So if you can solve 1-2 sums, okay, 1-2 sums for present value and 1-2 for future value, your work here is done. And then you come to the theory part of your FM theory. The first chapter for new syllabus is full FM theory. Okay, so into those theory chapters is from where they are going to ask you the theory questions. Even capital budgeting has got a lot of theory in that. So kindly revise that capital budgeting theory also, along with the time when you are doing your capital budgeting practical questions. Okay, so this is the strategy you are going to take up while revising your corporate accounts and financial management. As I told you, give good 6 to 7 hours for your corporate accounting. It is 60 marks for new syllabus. Same for the old syllabus also, and then old syllabus have got financial management. So there is 2 separate papers for you all for corporate accounting and financial management. So new syllabus also and old syllabus also, here you have to give at least 6 to 7 hours for this corporate accounting section. Okay, try to solve each type of sum and go through the balance sums. Okay, and for financial management also, stick to this particular method which I have given you of revising leverages, then cost of capital, then capital structure, then come to capital budgeting. okay, and working capital management, because they are really vast. And now if you all will ask me that, ma'am, from where are we supposed to revise it, or how are we going to go about with it? So please follow, you can, there is my marathon which I had taken for all these important chapters. Whatever I have mentioned here, I had taken a marathon for corporate accounts and financial management. The link for those marathon is given in the description. You can also go and subscribe for the dream batch. The dream batch itself was a gift from us to all you students, so that you all can study. All the video lectures are available in that for your complete revision, for your complete studying from that particular dream batch. So you can go ahead and subscribe for your dream batch. The link for that is also given in the description. So I am here to wish you all the very best. Please do well, stay calm, read the question twice. Please put your inputs in the given correctly and then solve the question. Okay. So take care all of you. All the best. Bye.